Have you ever made cookies from a recipe? What happens if you leave out one ingredient? Depending on which ingredient you leave out, the cookies might turn out okay, but they wouldn't taste the same. We can think of players on a team as the ingredients in a recipe. They each do their part. You might be an essential ingredient on a team. Take a listen.
Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic!
Hi there, I'm Dr. Eileen Kennedy Moore, also known as Dr. Friendtastic. I'm an author and clinical psychologist based in Princeton, New Jersey. Each week on the Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic podcast, I answer a question from a kid about making and keeping friends. If you have a question you'd like me to answer, you can send it in at drfriendtastic.com/submit. That's drfriendtastic.com/submit. Let's hear today's question.
Hi, I'm Summer and I'm 9 years old. My problem is I hardly ever go out football club. So I want to stop going, but all my friends go and I don't want to miss out. What should I do?
Hi, Summer. Thanks for sending in your question. Just to clarify for my American listeners, what UK people call football, we call soccer. So it sounds like you're feeling frustrated and discouraged because you rarely score, and you're wondering if that means you should quit the team. Sometimes kids quit a sport or activity because they no longer enjoy it or they want to put their energies elsewhere. If they're not letting down their teammates or wasting their parents' money, that might be okay. But often the desire to quit comes because kids believe, if I'm not good at something, I should quit. And sometimes kids believe a more extreme version of this thought, like, if I'm not good at something right away, I should quit. Or if I'm not the best at something, I should quit. Yikes. All of these beliefs are unkind, unhelpful, and untrue. Let's talk about 3 reasons why the belief that if I'm not good at something, I should quit is not true. Number 1, learning skills takes time. If you show up and keep practicing and getting feedback, you will improve. Will you become the best player on the team? Who knows? Maybe not. But you will definitely become a better player than you were before. If you've played football for a while, think about your skills last year versus this year. I bet you see a big difference in what you can do. If you keep going, you'll improve even more. Your performance right now is just a tiny dot in time. If you quit, you'd miss out on seeing how much more you could improve. Number 2, process matters as much or more than performance. Process is the journey. It's all the things you do and experience along the way to a result. Performance is just the result. If you're focused only on how often you score, which is your performance, then you're overlooking all the other things you get along the way from being on a team. That includes spending time with friends, getting to meet new people who might become friends, spending time outside, getting to run around and play a fun game, wearing a cool uniform and feeling part of a team, getting to know your coach, having nice snacks, and even being able to chat about the latest game or practice at lunch. It would be a shame to give up so many enjoyable process parts if you quit because of your performance. Number 3, there are many ways to contribute to a team. Obviously, scoring goals is an important way to help your team, but it's far from the only way. You can contribute by having a good attitude, working hard at practice, listening to the coach, passing the ball, guarding an opposing player, working the play, cheering on your teammates, encouraging or helping a teammate who's struggling, celebrating a victory together, sharing the disappointment of a loss, helping to pick up the balls, bringing nice snacks, or hosting a team bonding event. All of those matter and make the experience of being on a team better. If you quit just because you rarely score, the team would probably carry on, but it wouldn't have the same flavor without you. I hope you'll choose to work on improving your skills, enjoy the process, and most of all, focus on what you can give your team. This has been Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic. You can learn even more about friendship through my funny and practical books for kids. Growing Friendships, a kid's guide to making and keeping friends, and Growing Feelings, a kid's guide to dealing with emotions about friends and other kids. They're available through your library or wherever you buy books. Parents, check out my online workshops for kids at workshops.eileenkennedymore.com.